Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Thursday, the market was calm in the first half of the trading session and was steadily moving upward. However, in the later part of the trading session, it became equally violent and fell below the psychological support level of 14,900. It was comfortably trading around 14,950, 980, but in the second half, we saw huge amount of profit taking on the call side. On a daily chart, the Nifty has formed a bullish continuation formation. The reason is because the market is still within the remit of 14,850, 14,900, and it has formed a bullish continuation formation. However, it should not break the level of 14,770 where there is huge amount of option writing is there. So 14,770 is going to act as major support for the market, and in case if we see the market is breaking to the levels of 14,770, then the possibility of hitting 14,650 or 14,600 would turn bright. At the top, 14,920 and 15,020 would be major obstacles in today's date. After the dismissal of 15,020, the Nifty would move to the levels of 15,150 or 15,200. Trading long with a final stop loss at 14,770 could be the real strategy, ideal strategy. The reason is because in case if we see any drop in the morning, then the market would come very close to the important support areas and risk reward ratio will turn favorable. So for that reason, we need to buy long, or we need to take long position if we see the market is dropping to 14,830, 850 levels with a stop loss at 14,770 on the downside. The Indian rupee fell to the levels of 74.75, which is negative, and since last 2 days if we see the trend of Indian rupee, then it is continuously depreciating gradually uh, to the levels of 74.75 or 74.95. For the day, again the focus should be on banks. The reason is because our long term bond yield is falling, so which is positive because whenever there is a fall in the bond yield, we see rise in the bond prices, which is positive for banks, and that is why we are basically bullish on banks based on the trend of long term bond yield for Indian markets. Cement stocks should do well because yesterday there was huge amount of delivery based buying in all cement companies, especially Ambuja Cement, ACC, Ultratech did well along with India Cements, and IT companies also should be on the radar because all these IT companies are now going to announce their numbers in the coming week, especially Infosys, which is going to announce its number on 14th of this month. Globally, equity markets are trading higher due to fall in the bond yields and the fall in dollar index. FIs have added futures on the derivative segment but reducing exposure on the call options, which is an indication of limited upside, and that is why it is always advisable to buy at the lower boundary of the trading range. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in and have a great day to all of you.